programming languages are what are called linear programming languages, which means they execute only one command at a time, and they do so in order in which the command occurs. So execute one line of code at a time, and each line has a separate thing that it does, and continue through the program in order. And what this means is you can usually read a computer code and do what's called trace it to see how it would behave with certain inputs. What output would it produce? What variables would it store? And we're going to do this with the little sample program on the left. So we're going to trace it through.